Hello again, my name is Big Nerd Brain, and today we're going to be talking about gravity. So, what is gravity? So basically, gravity is a type of force. No, not that force. What? Look at what the memes already. I told you to stop already. Phew, now that stopped, let's go back to gravity. Gravity is the force that pulls you down to the center of the earth, even though the ground blocks you. Here is a diagram. The arrows show the force of gravity acting on us, and those are the different layers. Gravity not only happens on Earth, but acts on everything, even your gaming console, but the force is very tiny and unnoticeable. There are two types of forces, contact and non-contact force. A contact force is something that is physically affected on you or something. A hand is pushing, and that's an irrelevant ant. And now the hand is pulling, so the irrelevant ant is now moving towards the person. A non-contact force is something that acts on an object without having physical contact. Gravity and magnetism are just some examples. You may have heard of this famous experiment, but Galileo dropped two objects of different masses at the same time, but they both fell down at the same time, debunking Aristotle's theory of objects dropping at different times according to their mass. Why? The force of gravity acting on every object is the same amount, but you may know that feathers fall down slower than other things because they have more air resistance and generally have a wider surface area compared to the horizontal height. The stronger gravity is, the greater the weight of an object. The approximate gravity on Earth is 9.8 meters per second squared. Mars is 3.711 meters per second squared. Earth is 1.62 meters per second squared. So this means that if you visited the moon, you'd be able to jump for longer distances, as well as Mars, of course. One thing you have to remember is that the less farther you're away from Earth, the weaker the magnetic field gets. For example, the line goes on. For example, as well, the people in the ISS, where they feel weightlessness because they fall at the same rate of it at such a high place. Bye, hoped you enjoy.